Hello students, I hope you are all good. Today we will learn about indirect method used to measure long distances and very small distances. Firstly, we talk about range of variation of length. The size of the objects in the universe vary over a very wide range. Some examples are given below. Size of proton 10 to the power minus 15 meter, size of atomic nucleus 10 to the power minus 14 meter, size of hydrogen atom 10 to the power minus 10 meter, length of typical virus 10 to the power minus 8 meter, wavelength of light 10 to the power minus 7 meter, size of red blood corpuscle 10 to the power minus 5 meter, thickness of paper 10 to the power minus 4 meter, height of Mount Everest above sea level 10 to the power 4 meter, radius of earth 10 to the power 7 meter, distance of moon from earth 10 to the power 8 meter, distance of sun from earth 10 to the power 11 meter. After that, let's talk about indirect method. Let's start with echo method. An echo is the phenomena of repetition of sound on reflection from an obstacle. Here is a sound wave is sent to the obstacle and we observe the time it takes to return. Suppose distance between source producing the sound and the object is small x, then the total distance sound wave covered is going and coming back will be 2x. As we know, speed is equals to distance covered upon time taken, or speed of sound is equals to 2x upon time taken. Other method for measurement of distances based on the same principle are laser method, radar method, sonar method. These methods are used by Navy. After that, let's discuss indirect method for measuring very small distances or length. A simple method for estimating the molecular size of oleic acid is given below. Oleic acid is a soapy liquid with large molecular size of the order 10 to the power minus 9 meter. The idea is to first form monomolecular layer of oleic acid on water surface. We dissolve 1 cm cube of oleic acid in alcohol to make a solution of 20 cm cube. Then we take 1 cm cube of this solution and dilute it to 20 cm cube using alcohol. So the concentration of the solution is equal to 1 upon 20 multiplied by 20 cm cube of oleic acid per centimeter cube of the solution. Next, we lightly sprinkle some lycopodium powder on the surface of water in a large trough and we put 1 drop of this solution in the water. The oleic acid drop is spread into a thin, large and rough circular film of molecular thickness on water surface. Then we quickly measure the diameter of the thin film to get its area. Suppose we have dropped n drops in the water. Initially, we determine the approximate volume of each drop capital B centimeter cube. Volume of n drop of solution is equals to n multiplied by capital B centimeter cube. Amount of oleic acid in this solution is equals to Nv multiplied by 1 upon 20 multiplied by 20 centimeter cube. This solution of oleic acid is spread very fast on the surface of water and form a very thin layer of thickness small t. If this spreads to form a film of area capital A centimeter square, then the thickness of the film small t is equals to volume of the film upon area of the film, or small t is equals to Nv upon 20 multiplied by 20 multiplied by area centimeter. This will give us thickness. If we assume that the film has monomolecular thickness, then this becomes the size or diameter of molecule of oleic acid. The value of this thickness comes out to be of the order of 10 to the power minus 9 meter.